Let's make some ramen today. Be sure to check my earlier post on how to make birrierias. Today we're making birria ramen, but first we need to get some components out of the way. First, you want to go ahead and cut your tortilla strips into thin strips. Get your ramen noodles ready. And we're also going to make 6-minute boiled eggs. First, heat up your oil. Fry your tortilla strips until they're crisp, golden brown. Drain them well on a paper towel and hit them with salt immediately. For the eggs, you want to bring a pot of water to a boil. Gently lower down your eggs into the boiling water and cook them for 6 minutes. Shut the fire off after 6 minutes. Leave it for 1 minute in the water and then immediately transfer your eggs to ice water just to stop the cooking. Leave them to cool and you can continue the rest of your garnishes. Here we have some sliced radishes that's going to go in the ramen as well. After the eggs have cooled, you can peel them, give them a quick rinse to get the shells off, and you want to float them in some water to help them keep the shape and not be smashed. We can check the inside. When you cut them open, they should be perfectly yellow with no gray rings around. Perfect. We can continue now. Slicing some onions. Cut them up into small dice, and you can do the same for a bunch of cilantro. You want to chop that really rough, and don't be afraid to use the stems as well. There's a lot of flavor in the stems, so go ahead and use the entire bunch of cilantro. Combine your onions and cilantro together, give it a quick mix, and you can set that aside. That's done. We're also gonna have some limes to go with our ramen, so cut the limes into your desired shape. We're also gonna have some green onions to go with the ramen. Cut them as thinly as you like or whatever shape you want. So we have our birria, we have our consomme, we have our onion, cilantro, eggs, radish, and tortilla strips. All that's left to do is to cook the ramen noodles, and we can assemble this dish. Get a pot of boiling water and drop your ramen noodles in boiling water. Cook them for a good 3 minutes. You can assemble the ramen. So first I put onion and cilantro down, followed by a good heaping spoon of some birria meat. That goes down. When the noodles come out, I like to rinse them under cold water. This is important so it stops the cooking. If you skip the cold water, your noodles will be mushy. So run them under cold water and drain them really well. The noodles go on top of the birria. Some crispy tortilla strips, pour in the hot consomme, like that, looking good already. And you finish by adding your garnishes. Add more birria meat on top, get your radishes around, get some egg, onions and cilantro, sliced onions, and a lime wedge to go, and finish with a bunch of cilantro on top. That's your finished product. That's the Birria Ramen. And as far as I'm concerned, all the other birrierias and taco trucks serve cup of noodles. This is actually what you call Birria Ramen. Half Mexico and half Japan mixed up together in a nice combination. And don't forget that ice cold Modelo. Any time is Modelo time. So if you have some birria laying around, try this birria ramen recipe. You won't be disappointed, trust me. Hope you like this video. And if you like what you see, follow me on my culinary journey. Like, subscribe, and follow. There's going to be more tasty recipes coming up soon. Thank you for watching, and this is how I finish up and dig in. You squeeze a lime on the ramen, mix it up, and dig in. Buen provecho. Aloha.